that whatever is promised is being fulfilled. There is not one that is not fulfilled for us. So I just want to say for those younger people, when this government won in 1992, that was the first time I ever voted. And I voted for this government, PBPC. And from that time onwards, I never changed. Why? Because I see the promise, I see the development. So Upload didn't confuse me because I know they were lying. Right? My father is a dead PNC man. Before he joined the PDP. So he gave me all the messages about what has happened during PNC rule in Guyana. So I never been confused. So I just want to say today to everybody, we heard the promises, we see the fulfillment, and we should maintain that. We should continue supporting the government that is supporting us or helping us. So with this, Minister, I want to say that we are positive, we are on the right track. I don't think we are confused, but we will again go to the polls with a red heart in our heart, right? So thank you very much, and God bless you. Thank you.